Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Harmony One price update, and the current price for Harmony One stands at the $0.16 mark, and very good things have been happening on the Harmony One chart. At the moment you can see that we have broken this resistance that we had on the $0.15 mark, and now we are trading above this resistance. And some of the key resistances that I'm watching at the moment is this one that you have on the $0.23 mark, and the one that you have on the $0.26 mark. Then a key support that you have on the $0.13 mark. And before I give the key expectations that I expect to see on this chart, I want to give a quick brief of what has been happening on this chart. So Harmony One started having higher prices in this Elliott wave chart pattern, having a wave 5 taking us to an all-time high. Then from the all-time high we started seeing lower prices in this ABC correction that I have over here, and currently we made a low of this wave C at around the $0.11 mark. And I think for Harmony One we might have seen that low for Harmony One, and what might be information at the moment might be the wave that is taking us to an all-time high. So some of the key scenarios that I expect to see on this chart are that now that you have broken above this key resistance over here, it's possible for us to continue seeing higher prices, and maybe we can have higher prices to around the $0.17 mark. Then we can have a retest of this zone to confirm that we are breaking above it, then unlock even higher prices and maybe go to around the $0.23 mark, where we have our next key resistance. And if we break above that, I expect us to see a $0.26 Harmony One. The other key expectation is that we might not be able to go above this key resistance that you have over here, so we might get rejected on that zone. And once that happens, we can go back to around the $0.11 mark, where we have our next key support, and from there we can then have another bounce back to the upper side and continue pushing the market higher. And from there we can continue pushing the market higher and unlock even higher prices for Harmony One. Also, having a look on the MACD, you can see that over here we have by now we have a bullish cross over here, so that is indicating that we might continue unlocking higher prices. That is because of this bullish cross over here. We also have a bullish divergence to the upper side. That means this divergence to the upper side on the MACD, and that would mean that Harmony One could be unlocking higher prices and maybe reach the $0.23 mark. So on the MACD is giving us a go ahead that we might continue seeing higher prices for Harmony One. Also, I want to apply the fibs on this chart to try and see where this wave that is forming at the moment might take us. On applying the fibs over here, you can see that the price is trading at around the 0.7 fib level. So if you manage to break above that fib level over there, I expect us to have a retest of that zone, and that fib level will be giving us support. And once we find support on that fib level, it's possible for us to even break above that and go to around the 0.618, where we have the next key important fib level. So those are the key expectations that I expect to see on the Harmony One chart. And note, whatever I've said is not financial advice, so don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto, and I'll keep you updated. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell.